Hi, Lewis. I'll take you through the whole procedure. The first thing you want to do is get the newest files. Okay, so there's actually three files that make up our software: the breakout, the trap trade, and the magnet trade. So you hold down the control key while you highlight the link and then allow it, and it will look like this. That's the breakout. But all you need to do is click this little down arrow here. Ignore the files in the middle. When you click the down arrow, it'll download the file, and most of the time it will put it in your download folder. But that's the file you're looking for. Okay? So you do that 3 times. You're going to hold down the control key, click on the magnet trade link, allow it, and it's going to download that by clicking the download little button. Okay, so you'll have all the files you need. There will be three of them: the magnet, the trap trade, and the breakout. Now, if you've already installed the software, what you want to do is two things. Very important that you must make sure you're running the most current version of NinjaTrader. So go to their website, www.ninjatrader.com. Okay? You have to log in, whatever your account is. I'm going to log in off the screen. And when you log in, it looks like this. And over here on the left, download the platform. It will be the newest version. Okay? So you'll click download. You don't want the prior release, you want the most recent release. Okay? Download that. It only takes a second. Save it. There it is up here. Double click it and it will install the platform. So it's very important that you do that. So then you'll be updated to the most current NinjaTrader platform. Now, with our software, you want to go to Tools. If you've already installed it, go to Remove NinjaScript Assembly, and you should see the magnet, the trap, and or the breakout, whichever ones you've installed. You can do it all together. You can click the breakout and the trap, and you can remove them both. It'll do it, and then you close. Okay? Then you go back to Tools. You're going to go Import NinjaScript Add-on. When you do that, it's going to open up your download folder. Your files might not go to your download folder, so you will have to find them if they didn't. But look, here's my files that I just downloaded. So I'm going to install them by double clicking them one at a time. Double click it. It'll give you this message: using third-party add-ons. Just ignore it. Just follow the instructions on the screen, one at a time. After you install one of them, what I would recommend is reboot your platform after each installation. So it only takes a second. Just shut down, say yes to save, and just reboot your NinjaTrader. And then install the second one. Okay? I hope that solves the problem. And then the strategies should be back into, let me boot my Ninja. Hang on one second. Forgot my password. So make believe you just finished the second program that you were installing. sorry. Here we go. So now I had finished installing. So on the chart, you right click the chart, strategies, and you should see your strategies again. Okay. The mag will say mag. I have an old version loaded, old version, but it'll say JOBB version 11 and TrapJade version 11, but it'll say mag. So look, I have to uninstall my MagnaTrade and install the newest one. So let me do it for you, okay, while I'm making this video. So I'm going to get out the sheet that I sent you, the software installation sheet, and I need the newest MagnaTrade strategy. So that's this middle file. I'm going to hold down the control button and press the link while my cursor's on that link. Allow it. And it puts it on my other monitor, but I'm now going to click the download button. It finds the file, but to download it, it's a Google Drive file called the MagnaTrade, and I need to download it by clicking that little arrow. It takes a second. And now it is downloaded, okay? I do have the most recent version of the program, 0.2, but I need to remove my old MagnaTrade. So I'm going to go to Tools, Remove NinjaScript Assembly, MagnaTrade, highlight it, remove it. That just say yes. It'll take a second. Successfully removed. Close. And now I'm going to install. So I go back to Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on, MagnaTrade, and that's the newest file. Double click it, OK it. NinjaTrader successfully imported, OK it. And now it's very important, reboot the platform. Say yes, bring back the platform. I'm going to load it up. Here we go. Now when I look at the chart, I'll have the newest version of the MagnaTrade on my computer. Right-click the chart, click on Strategy, Mag. Double-click it, and now I can enter and modify the items. I hope this helps. Please reach out to me if you still need help. No problem. Take care.